Hi, welcome back. So, in this video, we are going to address a specific issue that will occur when we use nvm use node version number. So, you can see the error. So, when I try to use nvm use 14.21.3, this is throwing an error. So, we are going to see a workaround for this error in this video. So, this error is caused mainly because of the space between the username. So this folder is nothing but the username folder, and the error is due to the space between the username. So now, without changing the username in the control panel, we are going to give a workaround here. So what we are going to do is, see, you can see the username folder has space between the name. Okay, so now we are going to create a symbolic link file, that is symlink file, without space, and that will point to this folder. So for that we need to run command prompt as administrator first. Open this. Navigate to users folder. Now with help of this command mklink space /d space your username without space, and give a space here, and inside double quotes your username as it is with space. Now you can see symbolic link is created between developer tools and developer space tools, and you can see that here as well. This is symbolic link file. There is another thing that we have to do before using this command. You'll have to go to this user folder, actual folder, app data, roaming, and nvm. There is a file called settings. Here we need to remove the space. That's it. Now you can close this command nvm use 14.21.3. You can see now the command is successful in running. So now the system has chosen 14.21.3 as its node version, and you can use it for running your node server. And this is how this issue has to be sorted out without renaming the username. Hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching and keep supporting us.